Hi everyone, let's make these delicious date Snickers, a healthy version of the classic treats. I'm starting with Ajwa dates. I love these because they have a natural caramel flavor and a soft texture that makes them perfect for bite-sized snacks. First, I wipe the surface of the dates with a damp paper towel, then remove the pits and set them aside. For the filling, I'm using peanut butter. I like to scoop it into a small Ziploc bag. That way it's easier to bite neatly into each date. I'm using a dark roasted peanut butter for that extra deep flavor. Once they're filled, I close the dates gently and place them on a tray. Then I freeze them for a few minutes so they firm up and don't stick together. Next, melt some dark chocolate. Dip each dates until fully coated and place them back on a parchment-lined tray. Once they're all covered in chocolate, freeze them again for a few minutes until the coating hardens. For storage, I like to keep them layered with parchment paper inside the Ziploc bag in the freezer. Whenever you want a quick treat, just grab one, let it thaw for a minute, and enjoy. These are sweet, chewy, chocolatey, and completely guilt-free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.